Hey puzzler, welcome to the Payazee channel. Move one match to make 4 closed shape such that 2 with 3 sides and 2 with 4 sides. On your screen we have 4 shape A, B, C which has 4 sides and D has 3 sides. So we have to move a matchstick such that we have 2 shape with 3 sides and 2 shape with 4 sides. If you didn't understood, read it properly. This is little bit a tricky question. So let's start with the solution. Before that, please subscribe to Payazee channel if you are new. So we have to move only one matches. So if I move this matches here and then look at this shape E. Shape E has 3 sides 1, 2 and 3 while shape A, B and D is unchanged. So this A and B has 4 sides, 2 has 4 sides and E and D has 3 sides. So this is our puzzle answer. Okay, I have another solution as well. Let me come back to the original picture. Now we have A, B, C and D. Again there are 3 4 side shapes and 1 3 side shape. And if I move the A shape, if I break the A shape like this, then we got another shape E. So now we have 2 triangle and 2 square. Hope you have enjoyed this puzzle solution. Please like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to Payazee channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.